guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day, and today I decided to make kadayif. Now I am preparing a mixture. This is called sherbet. Water and sugar. 4 cups of water and 3 cups of sugar. First, let's prepare sherbet, water and sugar together, and we will boil it. Until the boils, I will stir it. As you see, it started boiling. Now it will boil like 10 minutes. Then turn down the heat to low. I am adding a piece of lemon and it will boil like this 2 minutes more. Sherbet is ready, and turn it off and it will cool. Now let's get started other part. I am cutting 125 gram butter. Let's melt it. Now I am opening fresh kadayif I bought from the Turkish supermarket. It's 500 gram. At the moment I am dividing into small pieces. I have a bowl of walnuts. I am making it smaller by blender, but not so smaller, you will see. Look like this, there is still big pieces. Let's set it aside. Now I will blend kadayif and butter. I am greasing the baking tray with butter. I am dividing the kadayif into 2. First half will be bottom. I am pressing with glass to make it tight. Also, you can use a plate for this as well. Bottom part is okay. Now let's put walnut. Now I am using the other half part. It will be top layer. I am using glass again, like before, to make it tight. Now it's ready to go to the oven, 30 minutes, 180 degree. I'm checking now, it looks good, but there is still time. After 30 minutes, okay, it looks good, it's okay, it's time to take out. I left this in the room temperature to make it cooler, and sherbet is same, neither hot nor cold. Now I am putting. I almost putting all sherbet. It will take rest 2 hours and then it's ready to eat. Thanks for watching my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and like.